Hi guys, it is your brother from Gears Now. Today in this video I will show you how to download and install Windows 10 Pro version for free. By the way, if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. At first, go to your browser and search for Windows 10 download. Then click on the first link. Then scroll down and click on Download Tool now. Next, open that tool and wait some time. Then, accept their agreement. Now click Create Installation Media. Then click Next. Then select USB flash drive. Locate your USB drive. Wait for the file to download. Now download a CFG file from the link given down in the description and paste it in the USB sources folder. Now restart your PC, and boot it with your USB flash drive. Click Next. Install now. And click I don't have a product key. Now, select your desired Windows version. Accept their license agreement. Now choose Custom Installation and choose a hard disk to install Windows 10. Wait for 10 years and now set up your Windows 10. After successfully booting into Windows 10, download Mspico from the link given in description. Now turn off your antivirus and extract the activator. Run the setup file and install it on your PC. Now open Activator and wait for some time and click the red button. Now your Windows 10 Pro is successfully activated. Thanks for watching this video guys, peace out. Please help us reach 100 subscribers friends. It will cost you nothing. This will help us to stay motivated to upload videos. And a special gift will be presented randomly to our first 100 subscribers. Thank you.